Well, live, we're back here on Football 360. It's live every Sunday from 9:30 to 10:30. It's kindly proud to be associated with DSTV Super Sports, your world of champions, sportsextra.com.gh, and also Funny You Got. Today, I'm refreshing us right here on your Football 360. I've been in the studio with Asante and Agyemang. They're all football experts. We're talking about the uncertainty around the appointment of Sami Kufuor as the Chief Executive Officer of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But what we'll be talking about now is the Black Stars. The Black Stars will take on their Canadian counterpart in a friendly game this week. But the story is that on Tuesday, the Ministry of Youth and Sports says they pretty much are not aware of that particular game. What we are basically told is that the exhibition encounter in the United States seems to have been organized on the blind side of the sports ministry. Those are very important words for us to take note of, on the blind side of the sports ministry. Then again, we're going to come back from a friendly match that we'll be talking a lot more about the communication, the relationship between the sports ministry and the Football Association. Nana, I don't know where to start from. Probably somebody will say all the way from the Black Queens issues, and now we're here again going to play a friendly game, and there's this talk about the ministry is very much unaware of the game coming up on Tuesday. Can we ever get it right? Because for me, it baffles me. This is like basic, this is fundamental. How the hell does the Ministry of Youth and Sport not know that the Black Stars is engaging in a friendly game? How does that happen?
Well, I'm as baffled as you, but let me refer you back to the Presidential Commission of Inquiry, because in that document it talked about various organizations that acted as link pins between the GFA and the ministry. And, you know, these organizations will bring them closer together so that they work together, so that there's cooperation between the ministry and the GFA. It's not happening. And you see, one of the biggest problems is that the issue of sports, when you nominate or you put someone in the sports ministry and the person doesn't have an idea of what sport is all about, straight away the ministry becomes handicapped. And then the technocrats within the ministry itself doesn't seem to be helping the situation either way. And where there's where no conflict should exist, conflict does exist. So the whole thing is upside down on top of its head, because that statement about the Ghana Football Association organising the friendly on the blind side of the Ministry of Youth and Sports is an indictment. It's a very big indictment on the Ministry of Youth and Sports, because at the end of the day, it's the same ministry that the Ghana Football Association will turn around and say is responsible for paying